Good morning, everyone. I wanted to go over in my recording, I wanted to go over my course. So this is the online course that I had for this past spring. It's for a Spanish course, and typically we don't use a lot of text in our communication with the students. We're encouraged to use videos. So you'll see I have all the videos that explain everything that we're doing for this upcoming week or anything that we're doing for a certain module, because we typically have 5 modules throughout the semester. So then students are encouraged to watch the videos every week. I embed the link, and then I also provide the YouTube link so that they can look at it, blow it up if they want, or pause it, whatever they might need to do. Sometimes they can add captions as well. This is how I communicate mostly with my students. A topic that I wanted to go over is the final exam. So we have the final exam that we have is oral, and I provide them here with this instructions, the guidelines for what I expect of them, what they need to do beforehand with their partner. Go, it should be loading. Oh, that wasn't the right one. Here's the guidelines. So here are the guidelines. It's about a page long, and it tells them the 2 different activities that they could possibly be working on. And then I also go over what I'm going to be looking for from them, what they need to do to prepare, and what they need to do the day of. And then these are the prompts. I also provide these to them because sometimes DHL won't be available at a certain time in the semester. It only lasts from like when the semester begins to when it ends. So if we do anything in finals week, they don't have access to it. So I provided them the prompts from DHL so that they would also have access to that.